Reading of the chapter 5. The Man Who Drew Faces. He was a very clever man. All the children knew him well because he would often draw pictures for them. He could draw animals and toys and children and engines and ships and aeroplanes within twinkling of an eye. One day, little Shelley Johnson found him all alone sitting on a stile. He had his sketchbook on his knee and he was drawing the distant hills. Shelley peeped over his arm. "Can you draw faces?" she asked. "You know portraits of real people so that I know who they are." Children, you may see the picture here. He is the artist. She is little Shelley and the artist is sitting on the steps we can say, and the sketchbook is on his knee and he is drawing picture. Explanation of page number 46. As we have read this paragraph, clever, in this clever means very intelligent, knowledgeable, skillful, talented. The artist was very much talented and he was well famous in between the children. And he was such a good artist that he can draw the pictures within twinkling of an eye. Twinkling means very rapidly. He can draw the pictures very quickly. And what was he drawing? What was he drawing sitting on the stile? He was drawing a hill, picture of a hill which was far away. Distance means far away. Pipped means झांकना जिसको हम Okay, page number 47. "Oh yes," said the artist and his eyes twinkled down at Shelley. "I am very good at that because I can draw what's in the faces as well as the faces themselves." "What do you mean?" asked Shelley. "Well, now who shall I draw for you?" asked the man, and he sharpened his pencil. "You tell me and you will soon see what I mean. Draw my granny's face," said Shelley. The man set his pencil to paper and began to draw a face. It was a lovely face, sweet and young. "That's not my granny," said Shelley. "It is when she was 20, said the artist. He put in a line or two and then some more. He gave the mouth a little twist and drew wrinkles around the eyes. The face became old and rather sad and tired." "Yes, that's my granny," said Shelley. "You made her into my granny when you put in those little lines. How funny that those tiny lines should make that face into my granny's." Explanation. Now, that little girl, she came near the artist and asked her whether he can draw portrait of a real people or not. Then artist told that yes, he can draw anything. Instead of, not only he can draw the picture, but the lines which are in the faces, he can explain that also. Then she could not understood and said, what does he mean? Then artist tried to explain her about the face. Then he started sharpening his pencil and getting ready to draw the picture. Then he started to draw her grandmother's face first. It was so lovely, sweet, and then she said no, she denied that no, it can't be my grandmother because it was old picture of her grandmother's when she was 20. Now, after that, putting one or two lines on the faces. That artist gave a little twist to the face, and now it became the old and rather tired, the real grandmother which she used to see every day. She was puzzled how it can be that while putting the lines on the face, it can change the faces. So then after putting the few lines on the face, she told yes. Now she was happy and seeing that yes, this is the real grandmother which she used to see every day. They weren't always in your granny's face, said the artist. See that one there, that's a worry line. It came when one of her sons ran away and did not write to her for 2 years. And do you see that line, a little frown line? That came when your grandpa lost his money and she was cross and upset because she had to give up her nice house and garden and hadn't much money to bring up her children. Yes, Mummy told me about that time, said Sally. Did it really put that line into her face? What's that one there? At the corner of her mouth? It's a nice line. It makes her mouth look sweet. Ah, your mother put that there, said the man. She was good, sweet and helpful, and your granny could not help smiling when she was around. Oh, I am glad, said Shirley. She pointed the wrinkles. Look at those lines. How did Granny get those? Explanation of this para. So Granny's face was ready, and then the artist was explaining, making her understand that those lines weren't right from the beginning. Now this is the first line showing that worried line. When it has come, came when one of her son ran away, and for 2 years he did not write to him. So grandmother was very much tension. Then the second line showing frown lines. It was frown lines means make a facial expressions. No, that came when grandpa lost his good house, nice house, and they have to give it. They have lost it. Then Shelley again asked by showing the wrinkles. It came when her mother is to be around her, and she could not keep her happiness, so she was smiling, praising, listening to her praising. She felt very glad and proud for her mother that she is so good. Acha, wrinkles jurriya. They came when one of her daughter was very ill, said the man, and they got worse. When your granny discovered that a great friend of hers was doing something wrong, and they got worse still when she fell ill and was always cross with people. It's a good face, isn't it? Even though it's a bit tired and sad. Yes, said Shelley. I didn't know people's face grew like that because of things that happened to them. Now draw my mother's face. She is lovely. Now already the artist already drawn one face of her grandmother, and already he has finished and explained about all the lines, what they mean. The third line, it was shown that when one of her daughter was very ill and she got very tensioned. One of her friend also cheated. She was doing something wrong, so for that also she was worried. So all the lines were explained by the artist. Now second First drawing was already finished. Now she asked to draw another picture to draw. That is of her mother, lovely mother. The artist started to draw the another face. The man drew another face, round, young and unlined. Shelley knew it was her mother when she was younger. You haven't put in the lines, she said. Mummy hasn't many, but she's got a few. Put them in and tell me what they mean. Well, here's one, said the artist. That came when your brother fell off his bicycle and broke his leg very badly. That's a worry line. And here's another. That came when your granny was very ill. And this one came when your daddy lost his job. That's a very sad line, isn't it? Yes, but daddy's working again now. So perhaps that will go, said Shelley. I don't like it. It makes mummy's face look old. What are those little lines round her eyes? Oh, that's our laugh lines, said the artist. Your mother is fond of jokes, isn't she? And she is gay and bright. She put those merry little lines there herself. But here's a bad line. Look now, what was that? Yes, it was when your big sister won't work at school and almost got expelled for her naughtiness. Yes, I remember that, though I was very small then, said Shelley. But Jenny's better now. She is just won a scholarship. That line should not be there anymore. Jenny put in there and there it will stay, said the artist. It's a good thing Jenny does not know it. It won't make her sad. Shelley looked earnestly means concentration, very careful, at the picture. Yes, it was her mother's face. There was no doubt about it. She looked at her dear little curly line by the mouth. What's that? She said. I like that. What put that nice little smiley line there? You did, Shelley, said the artist, and his eyes looked very gentle. You are a nice little girl, you know, and I have heard you are sweet-tempered and kind. The only line in your mother's face that you have put there face that you have put there in that little curly one you like, and say, I will make it a little bigger. And now your mother's face is even sweeter. Yes, it is, said Shelley. I will make it bigger on one, mummy's real face. You see, if I don't, I would like to give mummy a nice smiley line like that. I had really loved to put that into mummy's face. Do you think people know how faces are made? Do you think? Oh, I can't answer so many questions, said the artist, and he got down from the stile. You want to know too much. I have given away a lot of secrets today. Goodbye, Shelley. Use my secrets well. I won't like to meet that man, won't you? And see him draw some faces? I wonder what lines you have put into your own mother's face. Some very nice ones, I hope. Explanation of this whole chapter now. The second, Shelley asked the artist to draw her mother's face after he had drawn her granny's face. Shelley's mother got First worried line, when her brother fell off his bicycle and broke his leg. Second line, when Granny got very ill and when her father lost his job. A bad line on her face due to her elder sister. She was expelled from the school due to her naughtiness. Shelley's mother had laughed line also around her eyes because she was fond of jokes, was bright, gay and merry. Shelley gave her mother a curly line, smiley line, because she was a nice, sweet-tempered, kind girl. How was Shelley? Shelley was very kind, nice, sweet and tempered girl. Shelley promised to make the small curly line bigger by being a good and kind girl the time. When Shelley started asking too many questions, the artist went away as he did not want to answer all her questions. All curiosity was there. Before going, he said that he had given a lot of secrets to her about the paintings, about the lines, pictures. So, asked her to use those secret lines. She asked artist to erase those lines because now her father was joined already the job, and her sister, she was expelled from school. Now she already won the scholarship. Now the lines should be erased. But once the lines developed on the face, it cannot be erased. Understood? So here we have completed our story. Hope you will also try to be good, kind and obedient to all your elders and parents to make them happy and give a sweet curly lines on their face.